Passing the Architect Registration Examination, or ARE, is a crucial part of becoming an architect. But you might be wondering, how does NCARB develop the exam? Let's take a look at how it works. ARE items begin with a practice analysis, where architects are surveyed to determine what they need to know to work safely and independently. These results are used to define the structure and content of the exam, including the current exam's 6 divisions, which are subdivided into content areas and further broken down into specific test objectives. Next, volunteer architects start writing draft items for each objective. They draw from their own experiences, as well as established industry standard resources. All of the case studies in the exam are based on projects that real architects have worked on. Once a draft item is complete, an experienced item writing mentor reviews them. They either send items back to the original writer for revision or submit them to a professional editor. After initial editing is complete, items are ready for review by NCARB's examination subcommittees. Groups of architect volunteers gather for subcommittee meetings where they vet each draft item in case study. All items in case studies are debated, modified, and polished before they're declared ready for use. The accepted items travel back to the editor for one last proofread, and then to NCARB's Programs Department for final review. Items then move to the next phase, pre-testing. Before they can be used as a scored item, all newly developed items will appear in the exam as part of a trial period where they won't affect the candidate's final score. During this phase, our test development consultants gather data on how each pre-test item performs, including how long candidates are taking to answer the item, and if they're answering correctly. This data helps determine if an item should become a scored question or not. Those that perform poorly will be sent back to our volunteers for review, and those that perform well in pre-testing will graduate to become scored items on the exam. From there, NCARB's volunteers will regularly monitor scored items to ensure that they're keeping up with testing standards and align with current architectural practice. For more information about the ARE and additional exam resources, please visit ncarb.org.